Peppercorns are one of the wonderful spices available to us. They provide great health benefits. Here is a small home remedy for treating cold and cough. Take some water in a saucepan, add half teaspoon of crushed pepper to it. Boil the water for 5 minutes. Add in the jaggery, mix the jaggery until it melts, and then have the jaggery pepper water. This is great for relieving tough coughs and severe colds. Here are some health benefits of pepper. Pepper improves digestion. It is known to naturally balance the body temperature. Pepper is great for treating common cold and cough. It increases nutrient absorption activity in the body. It boosts metabolism, thereby resulting in weight loss. Here's a small tip to store the peppercorns. You can freeze the peppercorns to let them stay fresh for a longer period of time.